and welcome back to Makeup Mistress. Well, I'm Pamela, and today I'll be talking to you guys about the products that are really out in the market and everyone is raving for them. And this brand is none other than Pilgrim, and I was so intrigued and I so wanted to try them. So I ordered for myself two of their products because I thought, let me just give it a try. And I'm really fond of such kind of brands that will ensure that they are cruelty free, vegan, and they are all natural and they do not use any kind of chemicals. So this is my package from Pilgrim that I ordered, and yeah, let me just show you what I ordered. And this is how I got the package, and this is a cardboard kind of a packaging. And once I opened this, and I received these two products. So I ordered one face mist and toner for myself and one vitamin C hand and nail cream. If you guys don't know me, that I'm from the oily combination kind of a skin type, which like my facial skin is, and my body skin is very dry and rough, and that is the reason I cannot live without hand creams, because my hand is so, like, the body skin and my hands, they're super duper dry, and like Thar, Sahara, every kind of desert can be compared. And yeah, that is the reason I opted for the vitamin C hand and nail cream. And this is the White Lotus natural face mist and toner with camellia and witch hazel. This has 100 ml of product, and yeah, I think I'm gonna love this because I'm a face mist and toner kind of a person. I am super sweaty on my face, and yeah, so I keep on spritzing toners and facial mist all the time. And yeah, so let me just show you how these are. So these are the products that are there, and first let me tell you about this. This is the Pilgrim Secret Sauce Jeju Island, Korea White Lotus natural face mist and toner with camellia and witch hazel. This is amazing for the skin, and this is good for all skin types. This has 100 ml of product, and this is priced at rupees only 300, and this can be used till 36 months, which is like a long time. The best part about Pilgrim products are they are absolutely free from any toxin. They're free from sulfate, paraben, or any mineral oils. So this has again another packaging, like plastic packaging, which we need to open, and then only I'll be able to show you the inner packaging. So yes, this is how it opens, and once I have removed the plastic cover, I can see that this is a matte finish turquoise greenish kind of a color cardboard packaging, and this is FDA approved. So yeah, lovely. And so I will just open this up, and this is how it opens. And even on the inside packaging it is written Pilgrim. And yes, this is how the bottle looks like. This is obviously a plastic container. This comes in a spray bottle, which is amazing. So let me just tell you about the smell. It smells heavenly, guys. You guys know that I love beautiful smelling products, and this is literally gorgeous. Like, you can just you'd feel that you have come to some great salon, and you're taking some spa with lot of aromas. This is such a beautiful smelling toner, guys. You'll feel like I'm just eager to use this on my face, so let me just use it. This is so refreshing, guys. This is so refreshing. I just I'm just feeling that I have taken a shower just now. This smells so good. So this product is totally alcohol free. This is hydrating, and I can definitely feel that my skin has got a lot of hydration instantly. Well, as this is a toner, the best time to use this is after you have washed your face, but you can spritz this throughout your day for a boost of hydration, like throughout your day. And with the fragrance you'll feel rejuvenated and relived, trust me guys. And this is like, I'm totally in awe with the product. I'm like highly recommending this product to you, because this summer is so irritating guys. And during this lockdown time, you take shower and then you sit for your work, and you get tired because you're sitting at a place, you're not meeting people, or you cannot go out. But I think a good fragrant, a good refreshing toner can hydrate and make your skin feel really happy. So yeah, this is a must buy from my side. The next product is like my favorite, because I'm from the dry skin family, and again I'm just opening up this plastic because they are all so much like such well sealed and packed. And again the same color combination is going on, which I actually like. And you know what, you can just spot the product. Yes, this is the product. So I think there should be a this similarity in the packaging. I think this is a great idea. And in the bottom part there's this golden thing going on with two little images. I don't know who are they. And let me just open, and okay, let me just tell you that this is the vitamin C hand and nail cream. So if you guys know me, that I'm a big fan of hand creams, and because I'm from the dry skin family, like my body skin is totally dry and my facial skin is like combination, so I love using hand creams. So this is again for all skin types, and again these has no paraben, sulfate or toxins, and these are also again cruelty free and FDA approved and everything, just the way the toner is. This hand cream has vitamin C, so it can fade out if you have darkness or any spots or marks in your hand, because vitamin C is the thing that like is the ingredient, is the thing is the ingredient that will help you reduce marks and spots. And here the packaging goes. Oh my god, this looks so luxurious, like so luxurious. Let me tell you the price of this. So this is rupees so this costs rupees 350 for a 30-gram product. This is how hand creams are actually priced, because they are actually little on the expensive side. Okay, this has again another covering. So this is so good. The packaging is mashallah. I swear the packaging is so good, and very thoughtful packaging, because you need to give your thoughts and you need to keep in mind the safety and security of your product. So this is how the hand cream looks. This is like a white color cream, and now I will have the smell test. Not as beautiful as the toner, trust me. Let me just apply this. Oh my god, this is so nourishing guys. We people, like we Sahara Desert kind of hands and body people, we know how it feels when you just get to apply a good cream onto your hand. And this is so hydrating, so nourishing, and this is absolutely non-sticky guys. It just melted inside my hands, like it is so beautiful. Best part is, what, if your hand cream will smell a lot, even if it is a very good smelling product, your hands should not be smelling that strong, because what you can eat with that and stuff like that. So I think this kind of neutral fragrance is a very good decision that they have made, because once you spray something, the fragrance will evaporate and it will melt into your body and stuff. But with the hands you cannot take chances, because you might eat anything or stuff like that. So it's a great decision that they have kept the hand cream very, very, very neutral. And this is so good, this is so hydrating. My hands are feeling so good, so soft. And even after taking bath, I did not apply because I was in such a hurry. And this is so good, it just absorbed magically into my hands. And yeah, I'm feeling so hydrated, and my hands are feeling really soft because I have really hard and rough kind of hands. So yeah, I always need to apply any kind of cream or stuff. So this vitamin C hand and nail cream with shea and cocoa butter is my new favorite, and I recommend you guys, like highly recommending. And yeah, please get this for yourself. And for this summer season, I think these two will be your favorites. You will be your best friends because you can carry this to anywhere. And vitamin C is my favorite, you guys know. And I love toners because toners who comes and toners and mists are like my best friends. I keep on spritzing it all the time. With the spray thingy, this is such a great deal, guys. This is such a thoughtful packaging. Both of them, they look luxurious, they feel great, and they are absolutely worthy of trying, guys. So I highly recommend these two products from Pilgrim, you guys. And yeah, let me know your thoughts if you have already used it. And with that, I'll end my video today, and I hope you liked it, my small and simple and honest reviews. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to Makeup Mistress, that really means a lot. And I'll see you guys really soon with some new content. Till then, keep on watching and stay gorgeous.